Hey guys, new here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how you can earn more coins in pixels now that making wines is a little bit harder compared to the earlier version. If you actually make wines, the profit per energy is just very low. So what I recommend here is to just buy the energy instead of crafting them and going back and forth in Terravilla just to craft these wines. So if you lack energy, you can just buy this energy from the marketplace. But if you want to level up your business or your winemaking while you're making this energy, I think it's just fine. It's just break even compared to just buying it from the marketplace. So yeah, if you guys can see here under my account, I have 35,000 coins. That's very low. And that's probably because I haven't been grinding that much in the past few days because I was too busy really. Under resources, we have some seeds that actually generate or yield good profit per energy. But of course, guys, before planting those, you might want to go back to pixels.tips again and then click on energy. So right now, you would see here the cheapest energy consumables, and you need to assume that the cost per energy right now is around 15.84 coins per energy. So the idea is to actually make or craft resources that you can sell for coins that is actually higher than 15 coins per energy. So right here, guys, under resources, you can see that clover as a tier 2 seed is one of the highest seed that you can plant for a profit, and that generates around 28 profit per minute. The other one is apricot. This is around 16 profit per energy. But yeah, let's first focus on the one that is easier to plant, which is the clover. You can just plant this since this is tier 2. You can just plant this in your spec if you have a tier 2 soil, and you just need to buy them. So let's just have a sample here. So for clover seeds, I can just buy 2 stacks of it. So yeah, right now I have 2 stacks of clover. Before going to your spec, you might also want to check crafting. Under profit per energy, you might want to sort this out to a profit per energy that is higher than the value of cost per energy. So right now we are just gonna put 17 profit per energy. Okay, and the sort items by is the profit per minute. So under woodwork, we can see here that we don't have resources that we can craft. For metalworking, I don't see items here that are profitable. This is hard to sell, so we're gonna skip that as well. For stone shaping, we can see here that enriched soil is a good way to profit as well. But unfortunately, due to my level, I am only around I'm only around level 18, so we're gonna skip that. Now for cooking, so improve stove kit. This one has around 26 profit per energy, but we are looking for resources that it doesn't require that much gold because right now I only have 30k coins. So yeah, I think I have found one, which is the potato scramble. So we're gonna check the ingredients here. So for me to craft this, I need all of these ingredients. So what I can do is just access the marketplace. Now that I have all the ingredients, I have the seeds for me to plant for a profit. And I also have the ingredients for me to craft the potato scramble for a profit as well. I have designed my spec this way so I can easily navigate through it. If I want resources from mining, I can just go back and forth in here. And if I just want trees, I can just go left. And then here for the tier 2 soils, I have put 99 since the stack per seeds is only 99. Inside my house, I also have this tier 2 stoves where I can cook tier 2 recipes. So if you have around level 30 plus levels, you can obviously craft this potato scramble for a profit, and that is what I'm doing right now. While I'm waiting for the 5 minutes timer, I'm going to plant the seeds that I bought earlier. Once I'm done with cooking and planting all of the seeds that I bought here, and after draining all my energy, I'm gonna sell all of those resources for a profit. Now, if you want to earn more in pixels, the next thing you want to do is to have a land. And if you don't have a land, the best way to do it is to rent a land through Loot Rush. I actually have here an analytics of what happened the day I rented a land last June 27. This is when I have earned 3 times the normal earnings that I have in pixels. And if you're still watching this video, you have a chance to win $8 worth of Loot Rush credit. And what you just need to do is follow the links that I'll be putting in the comments and in the description so you can get a chance to win an $8 credit. There will be 2 winners for this one, so around $16 giveaway for this video. Once you have successfully signed up, you can click on how it works. And then right here, click on download. This wallet is going to be the wallet that you have to connect to your pixels if you have an asset that is rented through Loot Rush, so it will show in your account. It it will show up as your Loot Rush wallet, and what you just need to do is click on Force Use. Of course, you can disable this anytime you want, especially if you're gonna use Ronin or MetaMask. But this is how you can connect your Loot Rush wallet to your Pixels account. Go to your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you can click on Wallets tab, and then right here you can connect a secondary crypto wallet. Once you click Connect, Loot Rush will pop up here, and you just need to approve. And then once you have successfully connected your Loot Rush wallet, you can now rent a Pixels land. So we can go back to home, and then right here click Pixels. You can see that a bunch of lands are listed right now, and what you just need to do to view those lands is to use this website. It's called play.pixels.xyz slash pixels slash share, and then the number of the land that you want to view. Once you have found a land that you think is useful for you, anyways, our goal here is to have a landowner task. So the industries here is just secondary. So once you have found a land that you think would be useful for you, click on add to cart here, click on continue, and then just agree to the terms and use your tokens if you have. If this is your first time signing up in Loot Rush account, there is a welcome bonus of around $5. Once you are done, you just need to wait for the delivery to finish. And while you're waiting, you can also click on the land, and then right here click claim, and I think it should show up my land after I click refresh. After that, you can already access the land and give access to everyone if you want to. That should also show up here later on that you are already a landowner, and it should give you landowner tasks. My advice before renting a land is to pile up some coins first, so maybe around 500k to a million coins if you want to deliver more landowner tasks. And yeah, guys, that's just all in this video, guys. I hope I was able to help. If you want to win an $8 Loot Rush bonus, make sure to check the links in the comments. And yeah, guys, that's just all. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.